Hello everyone. What is going on? We are live. I think I'm still trying to figure out this latency issue, where what I'm seeing is pretty much delayed on what I think you guys are seeing. Anyways, welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. This is where we're figuring out how to change our way of thinking to break out of what we normally think about the world and how to be successful in the world, to build ourselves a company that's going to generate us $1 million every single year. The reason why I think of it as like unconventional mindset is because I don't know what it's like to build a company that generates that amount of cash, which is a whole lot of money for me and for most people. $1 million. It's crazy. And I think thinking differently is going to be the way to get there. The traditional ways of building wealth, I don't think work in this stage of the game. I mean, they can work if you go the slow burn and save up all your money and all that kind of stuff in the stock market, blah, blah, blah. But for the most part, changing how we're taught about how to be rich and how to be successful in the world needs to completely change. So that's what we're doing here. We're figuring this out, and we are trying to build something that is going to generate us that money. So that's what we're doing. And today, what we're going to do is, yesterday we talked about kind of how we were going to change our business plan a little bit with Piixel Media to remove the search engine optimization features or products or services that we're going to offer. Services, I think is the right word there. And we're going to strictly focus on doing one thing and one thing well, and that's building websites. So that's what we're going to update our website to do. And we're going to get on doing that, well, basically right now. So let's kind of jump right in. So I got Webflow open, I got Stripe open, and I'm going to get some music playing as well too, because I think we're going to be in here for a couple hours today. So we'll see what we can do, and then probably get out for a walk a little bit later on after sitting down for so long. Got to keep moving. So let's go genre. Let's get some chill music going. Actually, we just want some instrumental. I'm hearing something. I think I'm hearing birds. All right. Okay, so if you remember, we're going to be focusing strictly on building websites. So let's update our content. So we build and manage. Yeah. Beautiful. Website subscriptions to scale your business. Yeah, that could work for now. Website subscriptions to scale your business. Yes, I see plans. A process refined and perfected from over a decade of leading successful client web projects. Yep. Discover, strategy, content. Yep. Design, feedback, launch. After launch. We will continuously update. Hang on a second. Let's back this up after launch. We continue to work with you. Work with you to update your content so you can focus on scaling your business. Something like that, right? I'll say growing. I think that's a better word. And I think this also needs to be strong. There we go. Okay, get a website in as little as 5 days. One thing that I know I wrote down in Asana to think about is whether we need to break this up into multiple pages. And I don't know if that's going to be helpful for us or not. I kind of like everything in one page though, so people can scroll down and see what's available. So get a website in as little as 5 days. Yeah, so we got that. Unlimited revisions. Hassle-free updates. Right. So we're not going to write content anymore. Right? So so what can we do here? So we're giving the customer fast delivery of a website, unlimited revisions, hassle-free updates. Yeah, I don't. Could say something, and do we want to provide the service? I think we do. So at least provide the minimum of making sure everything is up to date. That your website is maximizing visibility for the key. Yeah, so I don't like that so much. How about we'll guide you through the process of creating content that will increase your search rankings, like over time, something like that. Creating content that will increase your search rankings. Yeah, I could leave it at that for now, I think. Okay, so get a website in as little as 30 days. We build websites that get you ready. So, you know, this is how we build a website. This is why you want it. Like, there's still the benefits. And now, do we need this section? Benefits tailored to businesses that want to grow. Imagine what you could accomplish if your customers were... No, I still love this. Your customers were delighted every time they visited your website. Your website was continually being optimized to increase conversion rates. You could clearly communicate. See, this and this and this is not going to be here anymore. Right? So what else could we say? What else could we say are the benefits here? These are going to be things that we will have in the future, but we're not going to have now. Because we're not going to be focusing on SEO as a specific service to start. Can I replace it with anything? Could say something. You never had to worry about posting your content online, right? I'd love to save this. Let me save this for a second. Oh, not this. Let me. I want to duplicate this page. Home. Backup copy. I should have done this before. Let's save that as a draft. Okay, let's go back to home. Should have done that at the start, just to back up the page. Okay. Oh, posting content. Your customers were delighted every time they visited your website. So this one stays. This one stays. This one stays. This one stays. This one is a little bit wishy-washy because I can't control how people are going to communicate, right? But before, it was because we would be helping them write their content. But if we're not writing their content, we're not controlling how they communicate with their audience. Website. Continuously being improved behind the scenes. Right. Let's just say managed. Your customers were delighted every time they visited. Your website was continually being optimized to increase conversion rates. You could clearly communicate the value of your business to potential customers. You never had to worry about posting content. You had a dedicated team. Yeah, this is perfect. The only thing that I don't like is this one being four lines long. How can I change that? I might be able to change it by changing the padding here. Nope. There, that works. Okay. One thing that I know I want to work on. So when I go here and I click benefits, it scrolls down. There's a lot of padding here. And I don't like that. And that's because of this section here and the padding it has. Because I think it's the section that has the ID tag. It does. But what is this? This is heading H2. And we should call this actually section heading. Why? You'll see in a second. Section heading. Section heading. This is also footer H2. Okay, maybe I have to do that one different, but hang on. Okay, so let's go to any section. Just regular section. That doesn't have any other classes. Okay, perfect. So I think what we want to do is we want to give this a 0 And then the section heading, we go 7. No, that's still not going to work. No, that's still not going to work. That's still going to be... it's going up there. Okay, I know what needs to be done. What the heck? Right, the problem is where the class is, or the ID on these links. So we're going to put them on, right. We're going to put them on here. So instead of sectioning the ID here on the work, we're going to do it on the actual name. So this section is benefits, exit out of there, put it here. This should also be benefits. That's also benefits. Testimonials. This is the pricing, which we need. X out of there. Pricing in there. FAQX. And now if we look at this, if we go to benefits, oh, no, it's not working at all. Come on. Still has the ID there. What the hell are you doing? Oh, it just deleted it from here. Interesting. Okay, work. Go to work. Benefits. Oh, I have it right here. Price. Oh, shit. That happened. Pricing. Go down to pricing. FAQ. Login should still be the same. Yep. Okay. All right, perfect. So now it heads up more to the top, which is what I want to see. But in order to get it a little bit better, we're going to take our section heading. We're going to give this 2 rem, just to give it a little bit of spacing. And in our section, we're going to reduce this one by 2, just so that everything is still the same. Now we go to pricing. Much better. So now when it scrolls up, it's not, there's this big padding. It was actually really irritating when you're on mobile phone. So this is going to be a lot better. But we're going to go to this section hero and actually make this one 7 to be consistent. Okay. Take that out. So the one thing that always bothers me is that this section, like this section, you know, it's white and it's got a little background color, and then this one here should also be white. So I think I need to update how this pricing block looks. But let's skip that for now and let's go to frequently asked questions. This one, not going to be here anymore. Let's look at the answer here. Let's just need to see the answers. I already have Webflow. Okay, that's good. How do I submit content updates with you? And oh, I know what else we can say. This one should be not last. The long run. Avoiding and expensive. Yeah. Website. Quickly, yeah. How many revisions do I get? Right. Subscription ad anytime. Try to zoom this in a little bit, guys. All right. However, you can So delete that one. Actually, cancel. Right. The reason I'm thinking of changing this because there's a couple reasons. Number one, having someone pay a large sum of money, $10,000, $30,000 through Stripe, and if they want a refund, what Stripe does now, which is incredibly horrible, like this is the shittiest thing ever, and I want to find another payment processor that doesn't do this, if there even are one nowadays, is that Stripe generally charge 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So if you get a refund, usually what would happen, the customer gets 100% of their money back. And it used to be that 2.9% transaction fee would get refunded back to the customer and to you as well, and you just eat that 30-cent fee per transaction, which is fine. But now what they do is that if you have, so let me just use a calculator. So somebody buys something for $30,000 and I have a 2.9% transaction fee. That's $870 that I'll have to pay for doing that one transaction if somebody pays, for a yearly subscription. Now, the new terms of service for Stripe being that if that customer refunds that amount to you, they are going to keep that $870. They are keeping that 2.9% transaction fee, which is insane. Insane to me that they can do this, and that they can kind of get away with doing this, because that's like stealing. Somebody could go onto my site, say they want to do something, buy something, get a chargeback or whatever, complain that fraudulent, what have you, and then they refund their money, and then I get slapped with not only losing the 30 cents but also losing the 2.9% transaction fee. And when you have high values that you're transacting on Stripe, that becomes not an insignificant amount of money at all. So that's why I'm saying no refunds, because it can potentially be too much of a hassle and way too much of a cost hit to be able to absorb that, at least at this stage of the game. So it's so unfortunate that Stripe has changed their policy like this. I think PayPal, a lot of companies have changed their policy like this, which is absolutely horrible, just so that they can make even more money than they're already making right now. So yeah, so that's why. The second one is, I just don't want it to get abused as well too. So I want to see how things go with our customers and see how many people are actually churning out, because the idea, of course, is I want to work with people for the long game and not to just be like, have someone sign up and be like, I don't really like you, or whatever the case may be, and then just leave, right? So people can have a call with me first, decide whether they want to work with me or not, and then kind of just go from there. So yeah, so how does your process work? Blah, blah, blah. Once you purchase one of our plans, we get to work. We get to work right away. Such a pro. So the process, like we said before, once someone pays that, oh, sorry, I'm typing. I should put this on screen. How does the process work? Once someone pays, we get to work right away by creating the Asana project. And then we'll send them an email as soon as that project is ready for them to log in and see the project and all that kind of stuff. And then from there, they can set the initial meeting. So I want to see how I can verbalize this one here in a way that makes sense. So once you purchase one of our plans, we get to work right away. We create your Asana project. Email you the details on how to access it. From there, you'll be prompted to is that even too much details? Say we begin by creating your Asana project and emailing you all the details. Once you purchase one of our plans, we get to work right away. We begin by creating your Asana project and sending you an email with all the details. From there, you will be prompted to select a meeting time where we can have our need to get to know each other and for us to get to know your business and how we can best serve you. Right. Okay. Between plans. So here describing the differences between each plan. I think we're going to have to go with basically saying, well, it's the size of the plan, or size of the plan. It's the size of the website and the size of the business. So like a starter plan, you know, you have up to 10 pages and 3 CMS collection items. And then professional, it just increases depending on, how many pages the website needs. I mean, most people will fall into, this is my hope anyways, would fall into the professional side of things. And I feel like maybe the starter should even be well, I don't want to pull too many people away. Because I'm thinking maybe this should be about 5 pages. And that really being for a small company, where it's, the home page, about, contact, services, whatever. So maybe that's actually pretty good. So that's not so bad. And then 3 CMS collections. I mean, if you have a blog and then you have maybe the authors and the categories, that's 3 CMS collections right there. So I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I might have to do a little bit more thinking specifically on the pricing and how much stuff they get. But I think it's pretty good. I think this is too high right here though. Well, I'm trying to think right now because I do have a company that's in the enterprise level, and they definitely they don't have more than 150 pages, but they definitely have more than 15 CMS collections, which makes it a really big site. Okay, I might have to play around with those. But let's see. Actually, what's the difference between each plan? Let's say. So, starter is meant for new business that need a basic website to feature their products and services, and maybe a blog or a news section. No, actually, I'll just leave it at that. Professional. Are for this is that have a larger now I'm thinking if I should be getting into e-commerce. I don't think so. I really don't think so. I don't want to, so I'm not going to. That settles that. I don't want to do it. Not now, anyways. Not now. Those are two add-ons to think about in the future. I'm just going to write this down in my notes here. There's e-commerce. And what was the other one? Oh, SEO. But right now, no. Keeping it dirt simple. Starter is meant for new businesses that need a basic website to feature the product professionals. I'll say professional and enterprise are for larger, more established businesses that publish a lot of content and have more complex functionality needs for their websites. Features. Professional and enterprise plans are for larger businesses that publish a lot of content and need more complex features to power features and I say development. I'll just say complex features. I think that's good. Piixel is a full service full service website design and development agency Yeah. Piixel is a full-service website design and development agency that serves new and growing businesses. Yeah. We build websites. And after we build them, we work with you to continue to update and improve your website so that it continues to grow. Maybe we can say something along the lines of we give you unlimited, revisions and what have you. So we build websites, and after we build them, work with you to I say we do this by giving you unlimited website update requests. Piixel is a full-service website design and development agency that serves new and growing businesses. We build websites, and after we build them, we work with you to continually update and improve your website so that it continues to grow. So I'm changing my tenses here. My grammar's not working well here. Let's see. And after we build them, we continue to update and improve them. I should say after we build your website, we will work with you to continually update and improve your website so that it continues to grow. I will say that it grows alongside your business. We do this by giving you unlimited website requests. Right. Okay. We're full service. Maybe I'll just put it in here. A Webflow website design development agency. Yeah. Because we have the question here, why Webflow? Because we just use Webflow. Okay, so let's hide those answers. I think, yeah, that's all we need to do is hide them. Excellent. Okay, so right, so again, the one thing that bothering me is, yeah, I'll fix that later. That's not critical. Okay, so text up here. So the plans. How do I have my pricing? Because I know I have two price plans, monthly and yearly. And those are the ones that have the different links. Okay, I'll have to copy this here as well. Okay, I need to change this. So professional. Okay, hang on. So these are our three plans, right? this one for a second. This is going to be called Enterprise. And this plan here, that's the Pro plan, right? Let's change that price so I know what's going to be at. Okay, right, we're not doing SEO, so okay, perfect. For the new entrepreneur looking at their first website, not worried about the day-to-day management. Actually, just that needs. That need. I'm trying to think of saying something for websites that need more, not specifically development, but kind of like that need more, you know, like hand holding on features to making sure that things are still working, that things are not broken, right? So I could say that need more. That need more functionality. And supervision to make sure everything is running smoothly. Right? That makes sense, right? Plus for growing websites that need more functionality and supervision to make sure everything is running smoothly. Enterprise. Suitable for large websites with lots of custom functionality and consistent content publication. Lots of function. I'll say or consistent content publication. Suitable for large websites with frequent and consistent I'll say they're frequent and consistent publication schedule as well as how do I say this? How exactly should I say this? Suitable for large websites with a frequent and consistent publication schedule, as well as need. And requiring lots of custom. I'd say lots. And it's requiring custom functionality. Best for growing. That's like best for growing businesses looking like moving beyond just a static website, right? Best. Like. It's so cheesy though. Like looking to take the next step. Looking to add custom functionality, dynamic content to engage with their audience. What about that? Best for growing websites looking to add custom functionality and dynamic content to engage with their audience. Is that too verbose and not really? Is that really nailing it? I mean, there could be so many different things, right? You could just be a website that has a lot of pages, which is more stuff to manage. Or it could be that they're looking for some type of dynamic functionality, whether it's filtering out. Who knows? It could be a bunch of different things. Like, for example, the other site that I did, that's like a book review site. So there's constantly new book reviews that are coming in. You want to have like the ability to sort through your reviews or whatever, just to sort different things that are in a collection in some kind of database form, right? Yeah, I think I like this. Should be starter or should just be start? Yeah, starter. Well, a beginner? No, that sounds too stupid. Maybe I should go back to like startup. That's what it was called originally, I think. The startup plan, the pro plan, the enterprise. Yeah, that works. Startup, pro, enterprise. Okay. This is wrong. And this is wrong. What is the max? I think it's 150 and 40, right? So we got 150 and 40. Am I feeling that price? Okay. So we have the enterprise, pro, and startup. $250 to $1,000 to $2,500. How is that leap in prices and pricing? Should the pro be a little bit cheaper? So what? Let me bust open a calculator here just for a second. So everything is 20% discounted, right? So 20% of 1,000. So it'll be, if you pay month to month, it'll be this much times 12 months. That's $1,440 per month. And the other one, the startup, is 3,000 or 300 times 12. So 3,600 per month. And then the enterprise, well, it's 3,000 per month. So it's basically 10 times more. So that should be 36 grand. And then the 20% off, let me just calculate it. So we got, I think we got 12,000. I think we have 3,000, right? Times 12. Yeah. And then 25. Yeah, times 12. That's 30,000. Why did I say 24,000? So we got 3,000 for the startup. Then we have 12,000 for the pro, and then 30,000 for the enterprise. So should the pro pricing be closer to the enterprise or closer to the startup? It's one of those things where, you know, the small, medium, large, say if you're at the movie theater, the small might cost, what would the difference be? What would the equivalent? The small is like $2, but then the medium is like $6. So it's like 3 times expensive. But then the large is like $6.50 or $7. So you're like, well, for an extra $1, I'll just go with the large. But I mean, we're not selling fries here. We're selling packages for your website based on how much work it is going to take for us to maintain and build, of course, and build as well too, which is a big factor as well. Like an enterprise site should take, well, depends on the size of the site, but you know, that's not going to be in 5 days. The startups are going to be in 5 days, but enterprise, you know, that's going to be, you know, it's so hard to say, but between 2 to 6 months, depending on what it is that they're looking for, right? But instead of billing them, the client, on a, you know, basis of where we're at in the process or what have you, and a quote of like, you know, 60K, it's just, like I said, that monthly fee for the work that we'll do. Okay. I think this price is good. Right now. We'll leave it at this. I think they're evenly spaced. Well, I mean, the difference, no. Because I do think I would like most people to start off and to be, I would love the pro plan to be the most popular one, of course, because that's a decent amount of money coming in every single month. And I think it'll also help cover the amount of time that I'm going to be spending actually building and managing these websites. Yeah. So let's keep it at that, and let's look at, what do I have here? I have all these frequently asked questions. Can I just close this section? Okay, plan pricing monthly. We need to see it, right? Okay, that's 300. This is the Pro, so it's 1200. And yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's just make sure that it's working for all of them. So you pay monthly or you pay yearly? Do we have it at pay monthly first and then click it to yearly? I almost feel like it should be, eh? Then it's like, oh, well, I could save a whole bunch more if I pay yearly. I'll have to take a look at my switcher. Okay, hang on a second. So we got Enterprise, Pro, and Startup. Okay, and we have links. So let's go into Stripe here. So hang on a second. Sorry, I'm just going to hide this just for a second, just to make sure I don't flash anything with customers and whatnot. And what am I looking for? Products. Okay, I think I could share this. So we have our scale. Right, 3,000 per month or 30,000 per year. So we need to change this. Can we edit the name? Yes, we can. Perfect. So this is going to be Enterprise now. Enterprise. Custom Webflow design and development services with unlimited support requests. I mean, yeah, that's it, right? I mean, do I need to say anything different from Enterprise versus whatever? I mean, like, should I say like for large enterprises? I think, oops, I'll save that. Confirm password. Throw that in there. Okay. Now I need to make another product. right, and this product is going to be, this is just Pro. Oh, I can't remember what I put it under. Pricing model. Oh, goodness. So the monthly price was $1,200. Right, and that's recurring. Additional options. No additional options, I don't think. Add another price. And then this price is yearly. And what did we say? It was 12,000 per year. Right. Save that product. Okay, we got our payment links, which is great. Let me just see general services. Everything looks kind of the same, eh? Looks good. Oh, what is this error right here? 401, 88, 220. That was just right now. Interesting. And startup. Right. Yeah, no, I think we're good. So let's take this. We need to create our payment link. We don't need a free trial. We don't need any custom fields. I don't think we... promo codes? No, no promo codes. Quantity? No, they can't adjust it, so it's just one. And we got to send them to the place after they pay, right? So hang on a second. Let's take a look at our older ones to see what we've done. View payment link. Confirmation. I have this startup welcome. I'll have to change that to maybe just welcome. We should. What page do we have? We got the welcome for the different ones. I think we should just change that to welcome. Okay, so let's fix that. Okay, let's go back. Products, Pro. And this one is, let's do the monthly one. Create our payment link. Afterpay. Yeah, don't show. We're gonna go to piixel.ca/welcome. Copy there. That's the $1,200 per month. So we need to, it's the plan pricing, right? No, that's not where it is. That's actually on the button here. So we have the two buttons. And it's Pro. This is button monthly. So let's edit this one. That should be the button monthly. And okay. Did not work. Let's go back. And then the yearly one. This pixel.ca/welcome. Ooh, checkout session ID. Well, that'd be really cool. But we're not going to worry about that at all right now. This is the yearly plan. So, but still with Pro, right? Yeah, so go back to the button. Which button is this? This is monthly. This is yearly. And that should be it. Okay, now I'm going to publish a month ago. Well, we can go here. Let's test this out on our staging site. See plans. Oh, okay. Bug already. Bugger. Found the bug. See plans. The button is going to take us to the pricing. Okay, published. Refresh. See plans. All right. So that's 7 SB, pay monthly. All right, so they're all changed. Let's just double check. Hit the Pro. That's $1,200 per month. Build monthly. Does this look the same as this one? Build monthly. Everything looks the same, eh? Looks good. So, but I want to pay yearly, so that should be 12,000. Excellent. That's 3,000, and this one should be 30,000. Perfect. So all of our links are working and good to go, and we have our 3 products. This is going to go back. There we go. Product, Pro, Enterprise, and Startup. Excellent. They're not in order. I like to put them in order. Can you sort them? Filter. Oh, interesting. Oh well, it is what it is. Right, so that's working. That's good. So what we need to do, of course, is to actually, you know what I want to look at? Is just go back to our products here for a second and edit the description. Professional Webflow development and support. I like that much better. And let's go to Enterprise. Let's edit this. Perfect. Perfect for large websites with a frequent and consistent publication schedule. Requiring and custom. Put that first, it sounds better. requiring custom functionality with a frequent and consistent publication schedule. Save that. What can I do here? Requiring custom functionality. Suitable for large websites requiring custom functionality with a frequent and consistent publication schedule. Yep. That works. Okay. So the last thing we need is welcome. Startup and scale. Yeah, they're all kind of the same thing, right? What's the difference between scale and startup? Nothing right now. They're all the same. Maybe I should just... as we get ready to start building your website. No, if they're all going to be the same, then let's just make them the same. All right, and this one is just welcome. Just welcome. Just welcome to Piixel. We'll take a look at our metadata in a little bit. Well, probably not today, in a little bit, but when we do another full kind of audit of the website and our SEO. So that's going to be saved. This page is going to be, well, we're just going to delete this page. We don't need it. And what is this for? Thank you very much for your payment. I think that's after you made a successful payment. So enterprise. Oh, I think we need to edit this, right? Yes, we do need to edit this. Can I just edit like this? Yes, I can. After pay, just go to welcome. And that's the $3,000 a month. I gotta do it for the $30,000 as well too. Yes. Copy that. Update that. And Pro, I think I put it just at welcome, like this. Which one is this one? I think that was the first startup. And update that link. Great. And this one, I'm pretty sure this one's good because I just did this one. Yeah, and I did put it to welcome. Okay, so all those links are working. So is there anything left? I'm pretty sure this thank you. Now that I look at it, if I look at my other links, is it no show confirmation page? No, that's different. Old pages. You can go into old pages. All right. Okay, home. We build and manage beautiful Webflow websites. Back row with your business. Something like that. This book a call link is still the same. Yeah, it's still Calendly. I think we're good. Let's publish this thing. All right. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is a lot smaller. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'd love to know what you think. Let me know if you think that it should start on the pay monthly or if it should start on the pay yearly. So I have it on the pay yearly because it shows that it's less. And it's more ideal, obviously, for me as a business if people pay yearly. But if they pay monthly too, that's totally fine. But it's not the one. It's not the ideal one that we'd like our customers to go for. I almost feel like this number should be like almost smack dab in the middle, but it's a little bit more towards the startup. Like, should it be like 1,800? No, I think it's, I don't know. I think it's good. It's definitely good for now. Yep, I like that. Why Webflow? Because it's the best. Yeah, we are good. No, we're not. These ones don't work. Yes, because I changed the hyperlinks. So let's go on to the footer. And let's edit this. This goes to section work. benefits, pricing, FAQs, and of course tools goes to tools, and login still goes into the logging section. Perfect. Publish that. All right. We are good to go. Yeah, that flows much better. Now we just need to, what is it that we need to do? We need to just market the shit out of our website and our business, and then we'll start getting some customers. And then, oh, it's going to start getting awesome. Yeah, it took a while to get to this point, but I think now I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with the direction and very happy with the focus. Hopefully it works. The first bit of marketing, I think, is going to be to reaching out to my existing contacts of all the people that I know, people at Dalhousie University, people at the University of Waterloo, letting them know exactly what it is that I do, and letting them know that that my services are going to be available to anybody that needs them. So I think the emails will be like, hey, how's it going? And say, just so you know, I've started my own web design business where I make websites for my clients. Do you know of anybody that is interested in this? If you do, please let them know. And maybe even say I'm offering them blah, 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 25% discount or something like that for new customers. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Maybe we'll work on that together. So figure out what's the best way to start marketing to our people, to our peeps. All right. I'm going to leave it here. I think we are good to go. Yep, I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate the support. Let me know what you think. If you think everything's good to go, if there's anything else that I might need to look into, what have you. I'm always appreciative of any feedback, good or bad. And don't worry, you will not hurt my feelings no matter what you say. I have pretty thick skin. All right, thanks again. And we'll see you tomorrow for a brand new live stream. All right, guys. My mouse isn't working. Where is it? There it is. Have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.